Hi, I'm meteorologist Michael Crowley, and I will be discussing Hurricane Ida. So Hurricane Ida right now is a kind of disorganized Category 1 hurricane at the moment, but this is the weakest that you'll see it at the moment. With 80 miles per hour, pressures of 985 millibars, it's moving northwest at 15 miles per hour. And it doesn't look like much. It kind of just looks like a cluster of storms that has kind of a broad area of just storms. So you can already see the outflow starting to really develop. And when you see that in a storm, it's often like really letting off a lot of energy, and it's about to really intensify because it is huge at this point. So whenever it gets over these warm Gulf waters, it will explode in intensity. So right now it's a Category 1, and by the time of Sunday at 1 a.m., it is going to be a 130 mile per hour Category 4. So this is powerful. This is about the worst situation that this could be. It could even get to a Category 5. We're not entirely sure yet, but forecast models are saying that it's going to be a major hurricane regardless. So definitely no joke in any sort of fashion. So making landfall probably around Sunday at around noon with about 140 mile per hour winds. Category 5 starts at about 155 miles per hour, and that would be disastrous for the Louisiana coast, especially New Orleans being right there. And we know what happened with Katrina. We don't want another one of those to happen ever again. So definitely watch out for that. And you can see these tropical storm force winds starting to ramp up. As you can see, the hurricane force winds are these little orange and red and a little bit of brown start to form in here. There's a little bit of brown right in here, and you can see the very well-formed eye that is going to really be well-defined by the time it gets closer to the coast. So definitely no joke. Very, very scary situation. And hurricane warnings are already being issued for the Louisiana coast. Hurricane watches for Gulfport. We're in a tropical storm watch at the moment, tropical storm warning off the coast of Mobile. So definitely watch out for that, honestly. So our area is going to stay mostly calm until we start to feel the effects of the outer bands in a couple days. So for right now, we're going to be looking at mostly just 80s, upper 80s and low 90s. A little cooler air over there because there's a little bit of tropical moisture coming off the Gulf, which is going to give it a little bit more showers, which is going to be cooling off the air just a little bit. So moving into tonight, mostly just clouds, maybe some remnant thunderstorms coming off the Gulf, and keeping our temperatures pretty low, around the mid-70s, low 70s. So pretty nice night, honestly, besides the thunderstorms that we could possibly see tonight. Moving into tomorrow, rain is going to be starting to be felt by the extreme outer bands of Ida. So these will keep our temperatures in the upper 80s, and we keep them out of the 90s for most of our areas. But this is going to be not a good situation for Louisiana as we look into it. But for us, we will be looking at mostly just lots of rain as these outer bands, especially for Sunday going into Monday, we will be seeing lots of rain and potentially tropical storm force winds and gusts. So we probably will not be receiving the bulk of the winds. That will be mostly concentrated in Louisiana. But we cannot rule out the fact that there could be some wind damage, maybe some flooding. So definitely watch out. And we're also in the northeast section of the storm, so we have to watch out for tornado spin-ups if they were to happen. So definitely watch out for Sunday, Monday, maybe going into Tuesday. So definitely watch out for it. But other than that, after we get all that, through all the panic, honestly, we can look into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday being much calmer. Especially after a storm, it tends to be a lot calmer and nicer. I'm looking forward to it because this is stressful. Thank you. Have a good day.